What's going on, guys? How's it going? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I entered into today's trade. So today is the 17th of October on a Monday. So I have the trades I took here. I hope you can see the screen. I hope you can see from the screen. So I took these 4 trades today. So I took them within the time frames as indicated as well. So I'm going to be indicating each trade. Each trade is priced on the charts and telling you how I entered it and how I analyzed it. So yeah, let me thicken my line, my horizontal line I'm going to be using here. So I'm going to enter the price for the first trade. So the price for the first trade is this one right here. So the price for the trade was 167,305. That was the entry price right there. Then the exit price was 167,608. 167,608. So basically it was this candle. It was, which candle was it again? It was exactly, it was these 2 candles. It was those 2 candles right here. These 2 candles right here. So it is on the 15-minute time frame. It was these 2 candles and it is 30 pips. That was the first trade, and you can see the profit right there, 509. This 933 is from the previous week. It's the loss from the previous week that we just from Friday. It's the loss from Friday. Today is Monday. So it's now, let me now do the analysis that I took. So you can see that there's been a support area that was created from the previous week that was broken today on Monday. So this is just basically the analysis that the trade was taken, and when you try to switch on to a higher time frame like this, you can see that the price is in an uptrend, like that. You can see that. So we're expecting buys, and the market structure is all bullish, as you can see, with the high lower, with the high low, high lower high, high lower high, high. Then we're expecting a lower high now. So the market structure is bullish on the high time frames. The H4s, let me check if you can, okay, you can hear me on the H4 and the H1. So yes, so that was the reason for the trade for today. It was just simple support being broken, then we move along with the price because of the market structure, moving along with the market structure. Then so it was taken on the M15. So after the trade was taken, this was pre-London session. Then the price continued to go up a bit. Then it came to retest that same resistance area that we indicated, the same support area that had now become a resistance area. Then the next trade was a loss, was when I took the trade too early. Then hence losing the trade. I took the trade from this candle right here. Then as you can see, the price kept on the price continued back to the support that was broken, now the resistance, then it gave this pin bar candle. So I took the loss and I exited out of the trade. Then I went on to take another trade now on this fine candle. So as you can see, let's move to this price, this one with 9.99. So let me move from 168.582 168.582 from 168.582 from 168.582. I move the line. So yeah, basically from here, from around that area 582, from around that area to 168, 176, 160, 168, 176, 160, 176. It's around this area. So this was 60 pips. It was almost 60 pips. Yeah, it was almost 60 pips, and it was these two candles right here. From that area to that area. So that was the second trade. Then the third trade was from, so as you can see again, it was just simply support that was broken that had become resistance. This the same trade that I was trying to catch that was the same trade I got a loss from trying to catch the support that had become the resistance. So as you can see that the trend line was now broken when this trade was well confirmed. So the reason why I lost that earlier trade was that yes, it had now became resistance from support that was broken, but then it was not as confirmed as this trade now. That's why I went in for 60 pips now. Yeah, so the third trade now, the third profitable trade, which was now a 30 pip trade, it was just basically from the break of this resistance that had been formed right there, Let me look for the price. This 168.428, so it's around 168.428. So let's basically from this area to 168.7 168.751 168.751 168.751. Okay, that's 752. So yeah, you can see that it was from that area to that area. It was a 30 pip trade. So that's basically the trade that I took. It was resistance that had broken. It was resistance that was broken. Then I took the trade. So because of the market structure that was bullish, that's why I was only looking for buying trades. That's why I was only looking to buy. So each and every time I lose, it's either I lose because I would have neglected the market structure. That's what happened last week. My last week trades, if I'm to go through them, last Friday trade, I was trying to sell around this area, yet I was around this area. Yeah, I was trying to sell around this area, and I was also trying to buy too early, hence this trade right here. I was trying to I tried to buy too early, then yeah, I got hit. Then what else? So the other trades had no stop losses because I was carefully watching, and my stop loss would be the cross of the 13 EMA. That's the stop loss that I use. So I don't need a stop loss. I don't need to use stop loss sometimes, because when I'll be watching the trade, because I just wait for the 13 EMA to be invalidated for price to close against the 13 EMA, then I exit the trade. Like the loss that I took right here, price simply just closed below the 13 EMA, like on this candle. Then right there and then I had to exit. I didn't need to reanalyze or rethink. I just had to exit, because rules are rules. Then what else? So from there I was now watching and looking. So I missed out on this trading area because I'd exited. I'd closed the chart and I was calling it a day, because I had made about over 1%, or I had made over 1,000. I made over 1,000 on this trade, on today's trades alone. So I just had to exit 1,000. I'd made 1,000 plus from today's trades alone. So I had to take a break. Then from the break, I missed out on this opportunity, this bullish movement that happened here. But then it's fine. There are more opportunities in the market to catch. So yeah, I hope you get so much value from the video, and more videos are to come. It's been long since I last posted, and I really apologize for that. I hope you guys get so much value from this video, and you also want similar content like this of trades that I would have taken. And yeah, I just hope you have a great time. So I'm saying that I missed out because going on to the H4 time frame, is it the H4 time frame where it's noticed the break? Exactly, it's the H4 time frame. So you can see, like, when I zoom out like this, let me like make the charts clear again and show you the analysis on why I'm saying that why I'm saying that I missed out on this trade. So I'm done with showing you the trade I took today, or perhaps maybe you would want to also see the ones that I lost. Let me know in the comment section, then I'll make a video on Friday's trades and some other wins that I've taken before, and some other losses that I've taken before. Let me know in the comments, in the comment section below, what you guys want to see. So as you can see, so I basically trade the support and resistance. It's one of the trades, it's one of my trade setup. Support and resistance, one of my trade setup. I have three trade setups, and support and resistance is one of my trade setups. So some of my trades I use support and resistance, purely support and resistance. Then in some of the other trades I use support and resistance with some confirmations, of course. Then in other and I also have various other setups. I think about 3 or 4 more setups that I also use to trade besides the support and resistance, like in areas where there is no support and resistance, like in a range or in a continuation, something like that. I have other setups that I use. So going on to the H4, you can see that this area right here was a major support area, as you can see with this here that I indicated here. So one would expect price to react or bounce off this horizontal support area, but then price went on to break through it. So it was a trade to be taken after confirmations, of course. So let me go on to lower the time frame and show you how I would have confirmed it, and why I'm really saying that it pained me, because I would have taken this trade if I was on the charts. So this is just basically how I trade, and I'm not trying to influence how you trade or tell you how to trade. This is how I trade, and this is how I'm able to make some profits from the market. So I also use supply and demand. So you can see that the price broke through, and price reacted first, then gave this bearish candle, then it went on to break through, then it went on to form it went on to retest the broken support line, so into my zone that I drawn here. Then after that it gave this big bullish candle right here, this one right here, this big bullish candle. So entries would have been from, anyway, like from this area right here, would have been from this area again, going in for 30-60 pips, depending on what you would want, or what I would want, or it would have been this area right here, depending on what one wants. So yeah, that's the trade that I missed out from, but then I'm not regretting much, because this happened around the New York session, as you can see with the sessions right here. So this is basically my markup for today. My first trade was here. This is exactly the charts I used to analyze the markup. The trade I entered here, then the second trade that was profitable I entered here from what I showed you. Then these are the trades I'm saying I missed out on. Then there was another that I entered here, again I didn't indicate it here. I entered here, yeah, I was here. Oh no, it was there, right there, yeah. Oh, the first trade was around here, the first profitable. Then the loss that I took was in this zone right here, this bearish candle. So guys, I hope you gained so much value. I ended up like in talking more on the trades that I missed out on, the trade I missed out, and more on also on trades I took. So I hope you gained so much value. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and share the video, like it as well. Yeah, I hope you have a great time.